Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial ended the week with another A-list actress taking the stand. Ellen Barkin, who dated Depp in the 90s, testified about the drug and alcohol use and violence she witnessed during their relationship, including an incident where she says he threw a wine bottle. She also said he was controlling and jealous.
He's just a jealous man, controlling. Where are you going? Who are you going with? What did you do last night? I had a scratch on my back once that got him very, very angry because he insisted it came from me having sex with a person who wasn't him.
So, as a reminder, Depp is suing Amber Heard for $50 million over a 2018 Washington Post op-ed in which she called herself a survivor of abuse. He claims the op-ed damaged his reputation and ruined employment opportunities. In response, Heard is countersuing for $100 million. So, joining us now is criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor Ambrosio Rodriguez. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We understand you have a background in sexual assault and abuse. So, in this kind of situation, a seemingly toxic relationship like this, how do you determine who is the victim and who is the abuser, or do you at all?
Yeah, I think what's really important to keep in mind is what the lawsuit is about. This isn't a criminal case. This is a defamation lawsuit in which Mr. Depp is claiming that the op-ed from 2018 was a lie. So he has to prove that she lied and that there was no abuse by him. This trial has kind of devolved into something that's not like any defamation trial I've ever heard of or seen, where it's become who is the worst person. And it's really become a kind of a fight in the court of public opinion on who is worse. And it has really shown that there is a really toxic relationship, right? It's kind of like Jerry Springer, but just at a much higher plateau. And, I don't know what exactly the jury is supposed to do with all this information. I thought that Ellen Barkin's testimony was very damaging to Johnny Depp. And the testimony of the Hollywood executives that discuss his alcohol and drug abuse and him becoming less popular with studios also damaged his case.
Yeah, so many experts have said calling Johnny Depp back to the stand next week could be a risky move. Do you agree with that? Why is that?
Well, he already did well. He has really won in the court of public opinion, and bringing him back in order to kind of answer questions from testimony from the other witnesses he might lose some of that luster. It is better to leave on a high note, especially since she has not testified well at all. I think there's kind of a general consensus that she's not winning the jury over. Johnny Depp might not win this case, but he certainly won in the court of public opinion while she has lost. But this case might end up being, I think, at best, it'll be a hung jury for Johnny Depp.
All right. Yeah, we will continue to see what happens once the jury does begin to deliberate. Thank you so much for your time and your insight.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.